She has an extraordinary academic record, Princeton and Yale, prosecutor, had experience in international trade matters, on a district court, trial court experience, circuit court of appeals, so she has an extraordinary record. Somebody with her experience has something to add. Look, we live in a very diverse society, and it is really surprising that it took until 1967 to have an African-American Thurgood Marshall on the court, or that it took until 1981 to have a woman, Sandra Day O'Connor, on the court, and still there are only 2 women. And that in this kind of a diverse society, if you go back to the Supreme Court discussion room, very small room, small table, 9 people sit around and decide monumental questions, and the diversity and the point of view of a Latina woman is significant. It adds to the mix. Yes, I can. Let's evaluate her in the context of the hundreds of opinions which she has written. You take one statement she made many years ago, you take a couple of cases, and they ought to be scrutinized, and I'm going to participate in asking firm questions, probing questions. That's the job of a senator under the Constitution. But evaluate Judge Sotomayor's record in the totality of her cases, not just picking a snatch here and a snatch there. I think it can be done by the end of the July session. Let's take a look at the record and evaluate all of the extent of the paperwork, but from this perspective, I think it's doable. And I think it's important to have her on the bench when the court starts to consider in September the applications for certiorari, what cases they're going to hear. We might have to work Mondays and Fridays to do it, but we can get it done.